Think eggs are the best food for muscle? Think again. There are 7 everyday foods cheaper than eggs that actually rebuild your strength after 60, fight inflammation, and slow down muscle loss. Stick with me because some of these are already in your kitchen, and one of them probably costs less than your morning coffee. You've probably been told for years that eggs are the ultimate muscle food. But here's the twist: there are actually 7 everyday foods, all cheaper than a dozen eggs, that can rebuild your muscles even at 70. And no, you don't need fancy protein powders, pricey shakes, or cartons of eggs stacked in your fridge to stay strong. In today's video, I'll share 7 underrated, budget-friendly foods that quietly repair muscle tissue, fight inflammation, and slow down age-related muscle loss, what doctors call sarcopenia. The best part? Some of these are already sitting in your kitchen, and one of them probably costs less than your morning coffee. So, if you're over 60 and tired of hearing the same recycled advice, this video is for you. And before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Befightist for daily tips on senior strength, longevity, and nutrition. Number 1, lentils, one of the cheapest protein powerhouses you'll ever find. A single cup of cooked lentils gives you about 18 grams of clean plant protein, no cholesterol, no saturated fat, just real nutrition. Lentils are also rich in magnesium and folate, which support nerve and muscle function, something that naturally slows after 60. They're soft, easy to digest, and super versatile. Throw them into soups, salads, curries, or pair them with rice. They fuel your muscles steadily without blood sugar crashes, making them one of the most senior-friendly foods out there. Number 2, cottage cheese. This is one of my favorites because it contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles for up to 8 hours. That means if you eat a little before bed, it keeps your muscles from breaking down overnight. It's also loaded with calcium for muscle contractions and B vitamins for energy. The bonus: it contains tryptophan, which helps you sleep. Better sleep equals better recovery. A half cup before bed can do more for your muscles than any expensive supplement. Number 3, peanut butter. Don't underestimate this childhood favorite. Natural peanut butter is calorie-dense, protein-rich, and packed with healthy fats that support hormones like testosterone, which naturally decline with age. For seniors who often undereat, peanut butter is a lifesaver. 1 spoonful on toast, stirred into oatmeal, or spread on a banana turns a light snack into muscle fuel. Just make sure it's natural peanut butter, no added sugar, no hydrogenated oils. Number 4, tuna. If you've ever opened a can of tuna, you've held pure muscle fuel. It's rich in protein and omega-3 south, which fight inflammation and directly support muscle repair. The best part? No cooking required. Open the can, mix it into a salad, or spread it on toast. It's affordable, convenient, and one can delivers over 20 grams of high-quality protein for less than $1. For variety, choose light tuna instead of albacore to keep mercury low. Number 5, black beans, small but mighty. Black beans deliver plant protein, fiber, and a solid dose of magnesium, crucial for muscle function and preventing cramps. Pair them with rice or quinoa, and you've got a complete protein rivaling meat. They're cheap, filling, and low glycemic, meaning no wild blood sugar spikes. Cook a big batch, freeze portions, and you'll have muscle-friendly meals ready all week. Number 6, oats, upgraded. On their own, oats are mostly carbs. But when you upgrade them, they become a muscle-building breakfast. Mix oats with cottage cheese, peanut butter, or Greek yogurt, and suddenly you've got protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs in one bowl. Top with chia seeds, flax seeds, or berries for even more muscle and brain support. This isn't just breakfast, it's a daily prescription for strength and energy. Number 7. They might not look glamorous, but sardines are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Protein, calcium, vitamin D, omega-3s, even collagen, all in one small package. Eat them whole, bones and all, for maximum benefit. A few servings a week support your muscles, joints, and bones, and they're incredibly budget-friendly. So forget the idea that eggs are the only muscle food. If you're over 60, what your muscles need most is consistency, easy digestion, and affordable nutrition. Lentils, cottage cheese, tuna, beans, Peanut butter, oats, and sardines, these are the real MVPs. Rotate a few of them into your meals this week and you'll notice the difference in your strength and energy. Remember, muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. You can rebuild, you can stay strong, and you can do it without breaking the bank. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Befightist for more daily tips on living stronger, longer,